In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email on Substack. Sending a test email is a quick way to preview exactly what your readers will see in their inbox. It helps you catch formatting issues, broken links, odd line breaks, or image sizing problems before you send to your full list. Let's walk through the process from your Substack dashboard so you can feel confident about how your newsletter will land. First, head to your Substack home. This is the main dashboard for your publication, and it's where you'll create and manage posts, check performance, and set up sends. Make sure you're signed in to the publication you want to send from, so the options we're about to use are available to you. Next, click on Article. This opens the editor where you draft the piece you plan to email. You can start a new article or continue working on a draft. Either way, you're preparing the content that will be turned into an email. Keep your normal writing flow here. Add your title, body text, images, and any embeds you plan to include in the send. When you're ready to move toward delivery, click Continue. This takes you out of pure writing mode and into the screen where Substack prepares the post for distribution. Think of it as your handoff from editing to sending, with options that relate to the email version of your post. Now, look for the Send Test Email option. If it's available, go ahead and click it. You'll usually find this control near the top right area or within the Send or Preview panel. The option appears when your post is in a state that Substack can render as an email, so don't worry if it only shows up once the editor has enough to preview. This is your safe space to see exactly what the inbox version will look like. No one else will get it. A small prompt will ask you to enter an email address. Type the address where you want to receive the test, then send. Pick an inbox you check frequently so you can quickly review the result. Substack will generate the email and deliver it to that address, usually within a minute. It's normal for the test to take a little time, and filters may route it to different tabs depending on your provider. That's it. Use this test to validate your layout, ensure images load properly, confirm that links resolve as expected, and see how your subject line and preview text appear in a real inbox. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you're ready to proceed with your regular publishing workflow.